Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to open a message in a new window in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Enter your login credentials to access your inbox. Step 2. Locate the message that you want to open in a new window. Once you've found it, right-click on the message to bring up a menu of options. Step 3. From the menu, select the Open in New Window option. This action will open the selected message in a separate window, allowing you to view it without navigating away from your inbox. By opening messages in a new window, you can multitask more efficiently and keep your inbox organized. You can easily switch between multiple open messages, making it convenient to reference and respond to emails. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.